in India, Bollywood, which everyone's aware of. And we do have some beautiful scenic locations. I mean, if you go back in time, films like Indiana Jones were filmed back in the 90s in Rajasthan.
With Aditi. She is the executive founder member of the Federation of Hospitality and Tourism for Rajasthan. Can you share what you do as an organisation?
As an organisation, we built a bridge between the hospitality industry and the tourism government department. We also travel to travel marts like this with the government department and Department of Tourism Rajasthan to promote Rajasthan and bring people to Rajasthan, promote some unique itineraries and experiences, and see if we can connect them with the right FTOs and other travelers so that they would come to Rajasthan and we can increase the footfall of tourism in Rajasthan.
And what do you find people look for most in Rajasthan? Are there sort of key things they look for?
Absolutely. So the people coming to Rajasthan are looking for unique experiences. It's usually cultural, and we have some beautiful luxury palace hotels. So there's a lot of luxury travel also comes through to Rajasthan. It is the home of 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and lots of beautifully restored heritage hotels. So there is a mixture of people that come to Rajasthan to experience the regal world that used to exist.
And what kind of challenges do you think the travel sector faces in terms of, I mean, now obviously it's very interesting time. A lot of people haven't made this show, but what do you think are the sort of key challenges you think people could overcome to create a better infrastructure for travel?
Rajasthan's always been quite forward-paced on things like responsible and sustainable tourism, but the inbound tourism numbers have still not reached the pre-COVID levels. So going to shows like this, we hope that we will be able to achieve them. Obviously, the economic situation in certain countries and also the geopolitical situation that is currently ongoing is not very helpful for travel generally.
Yes. And what kind of things would you like to see, for example, with government? Would you like to see more government funding to get more sort of undiscovered areas traction?
The Rajasthan Tourism Department and also the central government is working very hard and have deep pockets. So they are doing everything they can to do the marketing for India. Of course, there is always room for more and have a greater outreach and attend more shows to showcase India at a probably higher level.
Yeah, that sounds really interesting. One other big thing is India were very present in parts of Europe promoting itself as a film location. I mean, how do you feel about that?
We do have one of the biggest film industries in India, Bollywood, which everyone's aware of. And we do have some beautiful scenic locations. I mean, if you go back in time, films like Indiana Jones were filmed back in the 90s in Rajasthan, and Octopussy was filmed in the city of Lakes, Udaipur. So it's always been an inspiring location for the film world and continues to be.
And are you involved in that with your company?
We can definitely facilitate any movie shoots that happen within Rajasthan or across India.
Great, so you're a bit of a fixer as well?
Well, yes, we have helped Steven Spielberg trying to film Indiana Jones, but at the time it was rejected due to certain scenes in the movie.
Ah, okay, so there you go. Amazing, amazing bit of trivia for us at ITB. There you go.
Great, lovely talking to you.
Thank you very much.